this video, we cover the following topics. Grisaille is a French word that means the gray. It's an underpainting typically created in gray. It's representative of a work of art executed in tones of gray. Jane's gray, Payne's gray, and neutral tone all produce a gray tone that is commonly used in underpainting. Grisaille is a monochromatic underpainting technique using shades of gray to establish the value structure of a painting before color is applied. The purpose of grisaille is to clearly define the light, midtones, and dark areas of the composition, helping the artist focus on tonal contrast and shading without being distracted by color. Once the grisaille layer is dry, transparent layers of color, glazes, are applied, allowing the value structure to show through, which enhances depth and realism. This method is particularly useful in creating dramatic lighting and form in a painting. To create a grisaille underpainting in watercolor, start with a single neutral color, such as Payne's gray or indigo. Use this color to block in the tonal values of your subject, working from light to dark. Dilute the paint with water to achieve lighter tones, and layer additional washes to build depth in darker areas. Once the grisaille layer is complete and thoroughly dry, overlay transparent washes of color to bring the painting to life. The monochromatic underpainting will guide the values of the final piece, ensuring a cohesive and well-structured result. Grisaille is particularly useful for beginners and experienced artists alike, as it emphasizes the importance of tonal values in creating depth and dimension. By separating value from color, artists can focus on the structure and balance of the composition without being distracted by hue choices. Experiment with the degree of detail in your grisaille layer. Some artists prefer a highly detailed tonal study, while others opt for a loose and expressive approach. By mastering the grisaille technique, you can enhance your understanding of value and build a strong foundation for creating visually impactful watercolor paintings. Looking to transform your watercolor skills? Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor, is packed with essential techniques, interactive lessons, a free guide, and over 200 videos to inspire and teach you. It's the perfect resource to make watercolor approachable, fun, and rewarding. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase Comprehensive Watercolor in the description below. Choosing the right watercolor supplies can feel overwhelming, but the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide has you covered. Packed with recommendations, tips, and insights, this guide helps you navigate the art supply aisle with confidence, so you can focus on creating. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.